Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited to be sharing how to create this fun, girly pink leopard makeup look for Halloween. First, I'm going in and applying foundation all over the face using a makeup brush, and I'm also applying concealer under the eyes and anywhere else on the face that needs to be brightened. To make my brows look more like an actual animal, I'm using a brow brush and brushing them in upwards and backwards motions, and I'm also going in with some clear brow shaping gel from Physicians Formula to just keep that in place. Then I'm going in with an angled eyeshadow brush and applying a light pink shade underneath my brow bone, basically at the top of my crease right on where that brow bone is, and I'm just blending that out and then also bringing that down on the side of my nose. To add a little bit more depth and dimension, I'm also going in with a dark pink shade and applying that on the side of the nose and right under where the brow bone is. Then I'm going in with a small contouring brush and using that same light pink shade to contour my forehead and my cheekbones. To sculpt and contour out my cheekbones a little more, I'm going in with that dark pink shade and that angled eyeshadow brush and just blending that upwards. Next, I'm creating a dramatic cat eye look using black eyeliner, and I'm applying that both on the top and bottom, and I'm creating kind of a sharp wing on the outside, and then also I'm bringing a line out towards my nose on the inner part near the tear duct. Next, I'm going in and creating the leopard's nose using a black eyeliner pen, and I'm just drawing this at the tip of my nose and then bringing it down. Using that same black eyeliner pen, I am drawing a line all the way down the center of the nose and connecting it to the top of the lip area. Next, I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush and applying a white glittery eyeshadow all around the mouth to just brighten things up. Next, I'm using black eyeliner to line the top of my lips. I also applied very delicate small dots above my lip and below my nose to mimic the whisker area. Next, I'm using the Wet n Wild black paint pot and a small detail brush and creating the leopard spots. I'm just creating various sizes and shapes all around my face and forehead, and you kind of want to create them to mimic like C's in just different directions, and then later we're going to be filling those in with the pink. I also brought the leopard spots down onto my neck area. Next, I'm filling in my spots using a bright pink shade and a lip brush. I'm using that Wet n Wild multi-stick and just filling in the center part of the spots. I also wanted to add that if you mess up anywhere along the way, just use a Q-tip to wipe it off. It makes it super easy. Then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild blush lighter in the shade Highlight Bling and adding a touch of shimmer on top of the spots. This is just really pretty because there's a pink shade and then also a kind of silvery shade, and it just adds such a pretty shimmer to the skin. To finish up the eyes, I'm applying 2 coats of my favorite Essence mascara. For the lips, I'm applying my favorite pink shade. This is the Wet n Wild Pinky Ring. Hope you love this Halloween leopard makeup look as much as I do, and don't forget to subscribe.